beneath the ancient trees to gather flowers and healing leaves. Beside the falls where white blooms grew, she laid her head beneath the clematis blue. The afternoon was still and warm. The forest held her sleeping form, but hidden where the shadows fell, a Patupaiarehe watched her well. He came from mist without a sound. His pale feet barely touched the ground. He saw her sleeping young and fair, with clematis flowers in her hair. He raised his Ko Auau and played a haunting song beneath the shade. The music entered every dream and bound her spirit to the stream. When the Ko Auau calls through the trees, she must arise, she cannot be free. Leaving the fire, leaving her home, into the mist she walks alone. Nei, nei, hoki mai, do not follow the voice of the night, but the music owns her heart and will. When the Ko Auau calls, she follows still. She opened her eyes beneath the moon and followed the sound of the ancient tune. Through silver mist and forest deep, she walked as one who moved in sleep. He held her beside the waterfall, where white clematis covered them all. At dawn she woke there quite alone, then gathered her clothes and journeyed home. When the Ko Auau calls through the trees, she must arise, she cannot be free. Leaving the fire, leaving her home, into the mist she walks alone. Nei, nei, hoki mai, do not follow the voice of the night, but the music owns her heart and will. When the Ko Auau calls, she follows still. Her fauna west where she had been, white flowers lay upon her skin. She could not tell them what she knew, or why the night mist followed too. Then from the Ngahere came the strain, and she arose to leave again. No loving hand could make her stay. The sound of his flute drew her away. Each time she left, she came home pale, her footsteps weak upon the trail. The light grew dim within her eyes, while clematis marked her withered life. Her one owl guarded every door and held her close upon the floor. But when his music crossed the land, she slipped away from every hand. His breath within the tomb.